I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will try to understand the numbers and the floating point in Python. Okay, so this, as discussed in the previous video, the number and the floating points are a type of data types. So I hope like everybody is installed Conda in your machine. So once Anaconda is installed, we can create a new environment there. So for that we can type conda create name. So I am going to create Python tutorial. And going to use the Python version as 3.8. Okay. So it will take a couple of seconds. So now it's installing. Okay, it's done. Now we can use this command conda activate Python tutorial to install environment. So you have installed that. Now we can open the notepad. So it will be like Jupyter notepad. It's notebook. It's not notepad, it's notebook. So we will be getting an interface something like this in a browser. Here we can click on the new button. Okay, since there is only Python 3 installed, we can say that Python 3 kernel. Click on this one, Python 3 kernel. Okay, so this will open a new window. So this is the place that we can type. This cell is the cell. In this cell we can type the commands. So if you want to add like more cells, we can type here. Okay, and if you want to remove it, we can just click on the cut cells. Okay, so this will remove the cell. To execute the cell, we will use this run command. Okay. Okay, so going forward, we can study like more details about this interface. So first, print is the keyword that we are going to use. Going to print the command, I mean print the string to the command line. Okay, so print is we are using. So I have typed like print hello world, print welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, so now we will start with the number operations. So we know that we have like a different operations, like we can try to see how can you do like plus, minus and multiplication and division operations. Okay, so all these operations are like equally possible in both integers and the floating point. So let me have a integer 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 2, this is 5, right? Then I can have a like a minus operation, 3 minus 2, this will give like 2. Similarly, we can try 2 minus 3, okay, which will give minus 1. I can also try like floating point, 1.5 minus 2.5, okay. This will give 1.0, maybe I can try it will 1.3333 minus 5.3338. Okay, so this will give minus 4 and this many zeros and 5. Now we can try some little bit of complex thing, 50 minus 5 into 6, 20. We can try with some brackets like 50 minus 5 into 6, then divided by 4. Okay. So always 4 will give us a floating point. Okay. To avoid this floating point, we can try with double division, that is 50 minus 5 into 6, okay, divided by 4, This will give us 5. See, the decimal is gone. This is the same thing, like 17 divided by 3. Okay, we will have 5.6. If I put like 70 divided by 3, we will have integer only. To get the remainder, okay, we will use modulus operation. So this is the remainder. We can try with 10 mod 3, which is 1, 10 mod 5, which is 0. Now we can see, let me add more cells. Okay. Now we can try with the square. Okay, I want to find the square of 5. So we will use like star star, it will be 25. To execute the cells, 10, 25 star star 2. To execute the file, you can click on this run button. Okay, this will execute, or like you can click on like shift enter. So I am using shift enter, which is very comfortable. Now we can use star star 7. Okay, it's 128. Yeah. Now we can also see what is a variable. Okay, so here we can assign these numbers to a variable. For example, weight. Weight is equal to 20, right? I am assigning weight is equal to 20. If I print weight, I will get this 20. Also, I can also check the type of a weight. It's integer. So the type is a keyword that is give us like a what is actually the type of the variable. If I am assigning weight equal to, if I am assigning weight is equal to 20, let me assign it. Okay, weight is equal to some string. Okay, weight is equal to some string test run. Okay, so this is how we will assign the string. So we will discuss it. Maybe like instead of string, let me assign like 1.20. Okay, then type weight. Okay, so it's giving us a float. Okay, now I am again going to assign 10 integer, then just have like a type. Okay, this will give us a integer. Okay, now we have the weight and let me have the height. Then I can assign height is equal to, maybe I can have a calculated value here, then type height, then it will be, it should be 45, right? Okay, let me print it, 45. Now I can use this variable, this weight into height, it will give us the value 45 into the weight is 10. Okay, we will have the value. Okay. Now see, and what happens if I like I didn't mention any variable. Okay, here we have mentioned like a height and weight. Now let me have like a color. Okay, so color is not defined anywhere. So if I try to print the color, it will throw an error, say that okay, name color is not defined. Okay, so handling all those things we will discuss in our next incoming videos. Okay. Now let's try like another variable, tax. Okay, 12.5 divided by 100. Okay, then price is equal to 100.50. Okay, I can have like a price into tax. Okay, I will get this particular value. Now I can assign this to a result. I can assign this price to tax to a variable, then just type the result. I will get this particular value. Okay, so yeah, I think this all the operations like integer operations and floating point operations all are same. Okay, we can do the all these operations can be done in the floating point also. For example, I can have like 1.2 star star, I mean power of 2, it will give the floating point value. Okay, so that's all about Python numbers, I mean integers and the floating point. Okay, so we will have in our next section we probably will discuss about the strings. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.